Today we're going to make a jack-o'-lantern with this pumpkin. It's almost Halloween because it's the 23rd of October today, and we're going to set up some Halloween decorations with this pumpkin. So let's get started. So the next step is to draw a face with a Sharpie onto the pumpkin. So we're going to draw one triangle eye, like this, and another eye on the other side, this, and then we need a nose for the pumpkin, another triangle, and then we'll make a spooky mouth. So let's draw some of these things. Yay! So this is our pumpkin so far, and soon we're going to cut it out. I messed up a little bit because it was a bit too small on this one, but it's always okay to draw another one on the back, because if it's too small or you messed up, you can just draw another one on the back like I did. So now we're up to the cutting step. So we'll need a grown-up for this step.
Now we're going to cut the top of the pumpkin.
So we're drawing a circle around the top of the pumpkin to be where we are going to cut the top of the pumpkin off soon. Now it's time to cut the top of the pumpkin off. Woo!
Take the top off the
Ready? Oopsies. Maybe we'll have to cut a bit more. Look inside the pumpkin. We have the top off. So now we have to scoop inside the pumpkin.
Why is it so hard?
So let's scoop the inside of the pumpkin. Now we need to slowly cut the eyes, the nose, and the mouth out. You'll need a grown-up for this. So we gently and carefully cut the eyes, mouth, and nose out. That's up to the mouth part, which is the hardest part because there's lots of bumps, but I hope he can do it. Continue the mouth. We've already cut the two eyes and the nose out, both triangles. Look at our pumpkin! We cut the eyes, the nose, and the mouth out. It looks so cool. There's nothing inside. That's the lid. And soon we're going to put a candle in it. After, maybe we'll wash it, and because some pumpkin is still here, if you can see, and And then we're finished. Now we're going to test our pumpkin. Let's walk inside.
等一下，
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Look at our pumpkin. It's glowing. We put like a light inside the pumpkin.
light.
Yeah, that's a red light inside the pumpkin, and now it can glow. It looks very cool in the dark. Ooh, that's cool. Bye, we're finished.
I like